The school management solution have four distinct users: Babi admin, the teacher, the student, and the parent. But for this short tutorial, we want to look at the teacher's detail, the teacher's account. So you select the teacher's account, you input the username, and you put the password. Then you log in. Now the first button here is your profile, which is what you see here. The profile of the teacher as it has been created by the admin of the platform. Then here are my subject. My subject link here are all the subjects and the classes the teacher is taking. Then this link parents that we can see here, and this link student that we can see here. You see these two links if when you were being created as a teacher, the admin selected you as a class teacher. That's when you have opportunity to see these two links, because that means you can add a parent, you can add new parents to the platform, and also you can view the list of the parents. Then if you are also a class teacher, as I said, you also have access to this link for student. You can view a student, you can add a student, you can upload students from a CSV file. Instead of adding one by one, you upload them class by class. Then you also have access to check the broadsheet of students when they take during exam. You can check the broadsheet of the student of your class, because you will only see the class you are attached to. You will not see other classes. The class which you are the class teacher. So it helps you to be able to check teachers to be sure they have uploaded their result. So that's why this broadsheet is available for you. So like in this particular school, we have the midterm result, the CAT2, the exam, and the total. So for each subject, you will see whether the result have been uploaded for students or not. Now, if they are not uploaded, you can now escalate to the teacher concerned. Then you can see here, you can check the total at the end of the day. And the way it is aggregated, it is aggregated using an algorithm. What you see at the top, definitely that student is the number one in the class. Then you click on this button, it will export it directly to Excel for you, completely as it is in Excel, with all the names of the student, the subject, their grades, and with the level, the way they are arranged in terms of their position. Now, this my student link, every teacher sees it, whether you're a class teacher or not. This is where you will see the list of subjects you are teaching. So for instance, you see the list of subjects you are teaching. Once you click, you select any of the link, assuming you click on this, the students in the class will be populated. So that's that. Now there are many other features that you can do here. Under the action button, you can view the profile of the student, you can make comments. Maybe you want to chat with that student one by one, or you discover that at the time you were uploading your result, maybe the admin or the class teacher forgot to include the name of the student in the class, and when you check the result template, the name is not there. You can come here and add his name to the template for your class. So quite a lot of other beautiful things you can do here. Then this application also monitors computer-based tests. So here you can create your CBT, you create them, you attach them to a class, and the students will take their exam. Then you upload your questions. You either add the question one by one, or you upload from a CSV file. Then you can also view the result of the test. This under this CBT report, you can view the report of the test that is being conducted. Now, but for the purpose of this video, we're actually looking at the way we add scores for exams when we want to generate report sheet at the end of the day. There are quite a lot of other features that this application houses. We have ebooks on it, videos on it. We have content class, like it's like a mini online school. You can have it as an online school where you add content for your student, you add content for the class, you add a video to it if you want to. You can embed a video from YouTube if you want to. If you want to attach the a file, you can also do so. Quite a lot of feature. You can give them assignments and all that. The student will download the assignment, work on the assignment, then they submit back to you. You can grade the assignment for them. So, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we want to look at the exam part, which we have from here. We have first term, second term, third term. Then you have a class teacher's comment. Then we have the psychomotor for the class. Those are the basic things we want to see. So how do we upload a result? The first thing you do is you create a term. You create a term, you select your subject. Then the moment you click on this subject, for instance now, and you click on the term and the academic session, the moment I hit enter, it's going to tell me that the first term already exists for that subject. So what that means is that I've already created it. So let me try this. Also, it has been created. So if it is not created, we immediately create it and tell you successful, it has been created. So take this again. Yeah, so if it failed to fix student because no student, that means in this class, what that means is that this class Basic 7 Gold, you were attached as a teacher for Basic 7 Gold to teach computer studies, but the admin have not added student to that class. So that is the information is giving us. It's an intelligent system. It's telling you, yes, you are a teacher attached to that class, but this class you are attached to have no student yet on it. So that's why I say it failed to fix students in the no student in the class. Please alert your ICT or alert the admin, as the case may be, because students are not available in that class. So let's assume that we have checked this. So what do you now do next after creating the term? The next thing is you now go to term result. When you go to term result, you will select the term and the academic session. It brings you this interface. So here you will now select the subject. If you have not created term for the subject, look at this, for instance, it will show you nothing because term have not been created. But if it's a subject that term has been created, say this, you will now see this record here where you can view the result, where you can enter score, or where you can delete the details that you do not need that have been entered. Now, there are two ways of entering scores in this application. One, you can enter score of students one by one per student for your subject. Remember, we are looking at this subject, robotics and artificial intelligence. I am the one teaching that. You are the one teaching that subject, and you want to enter score. So you can enter score. If you click on enter score, it will populate all the students in the class. Look at this. So you can now enter scores one by one for each child. And there is something important here. This column that is here bearing 5 marks, if you enter any mark above 5, it will not accept. This column same. Here, if you enter anything above 10, it will not accept. Here, if you enter above 20, it will not accept. Here, if you enter above 60, it will not accept. So that means this column will only accept 0 to 5. This will accept 0 to 5. This will accept 0 to 10. This will accept 0 to 20. This will accept 0 to 60. Anything other than that, it will not accept. And it will not accept text. Maybe you mistakenly enter text. It will not accept. It will not submit it. So there are validations there, so as to not to allow the teacher make mistakes. It takes care of that for you in case you are in a hurry and you're making mistakes. So you enter the scores one by one. You enter the marks and everything. You click on the submit button one by one for every student. Once you click it, it will tell you that mark updated. You go to the next student, you do that. Now, that is the case of entering the scores one by one. But there is another option for not entering the scores one by one. Now, if you look at this point here, you will see create note, project, and cat 1. Then the second one is create cat 2 and exam. Now, this is tailored because for the school that is using this application, they operate a model. Their model is for the first half of the term, they have what we call the midterm break. Now, the midterm result is prepared before the children proceed for midterm break. The component of the midterm break for this particular school are 3: notes, project, and first year, which is called cat 1. So there is a template here that you click. Once you just click on this, for instance, you look at it immediately, a template is generated. Look at it, a CSV template. When I open this template now, you will see it will bring all the names of the student in that class are already on that template, so you are not typing them. So you open the template, there's a column for notes, there's a column for project, and there's a column for CA. Now take note. Note for this school is 5 mark, project is 5 mark, CA1 is 10 marks. Now, on this, if I could open the Excel template for you, see, because I'm making an on-screen video. Now, what happened on this template is, if you are entering the score and you mistakenly enter something above 5 marks for note or project, or something above 10 marks for the CA, this application is intelligent enough, it will not upload it because you have entered something that is not required or something that is not expected of you to enter. You've violated, or you made a mistake as you are typing. Your hand mistakenly touch O instead of 0. O, 1 and O is not 10. It is 1 and 0 that is 10. Now, it is going to see the O as not a numeric character. Therefore, it would not submit. So, such validation, error validation are available. Intelligence is there so as not to allow you to make mistakes, because if such mistakes are done, the computation of the result will create errors. And with our past experience and vast knowledge that we have taught us that such validation must be included when preparing the application. So after you download the template, you fill in your score. So all you do is you come here, you select which is the note, mark, and project. If you mistakenly select something different from that, it is also, if you select the second option and what you are posting is a different option, it will also reject it. So you select the note, mark, and project, then you attach the file here. You click on attach, you click here, then you select where the file is, you attach it, then you just click import. Boom, all the marks will move up within a second or two, and everything will go up. So if you have done that for before the midterm, and now the second half of the term, this school have that model. For second half of the term, they have cat 2 and exam. The same thing, you create a single template for this cat 2 and exam. Now, I said this school have this model. There are schools we are working with that have different model. So we tailor our application to tailor the model you are working with. So we'll come into your school, we'll look at what are you doing, you tell us what you are doing, you tell us the model you operate, then we work on that. For instance, there's a particular school, their model is that they run 4 CA text and all their CA is 10 marks. Now, that definitely their model is not this one. So they give us their model and we'll work with that. So the application is flexible, we'll work with what you want. So you can view your result and boom, with just a click, the result will be uploaded without issue. So, and it is as simple as that. Your scores are uploaded. Now, the next thing that is important as a class teacher is the teacher's comment and the psychomotor, because those are the other basic things. You have uploaded your result. The next thing is the teacher's comment and the psychomotor. If you click on the teacher's comment, click on it now. Then you see download the comment template, view comment, or upload comment. So the first thing is, if you have not entered the comment for the student, you download the comment template, click here, Then I'll just select the class. As you select the class, then as you click on submit, the comment template is downloaded. Look at it, JSS1 diamond comment, so as to avoid you mixing that with course template. So that's why it's showing you there, telling you clearly that it is what comment. So you open it, and the names of the students are already downloaded. Then you fill in the comment. As a class teacher, you know all the students. You fill in those comments just as they ought to be. And remember, the comments are text, they are not numeric. Then next is what you can view the comment that you have uploaded before. So select the class, then the academic session. Remember, you could have you can be a class teacher for several years, so you select the comment. So like this, these are the comments that have been uploaded by the teacher for each of the students. You look at them. Now you can edit that single comment for this single child, or you can delete it for this child completely. You can edit it for this child alone. Click on edit for this child alone, or you delete for this child, or you can edit the comment for the entire class. So you can change the template. You check the template, you change all that. So all you do is you click here. Once you click, you attach the template and you submit. It will update all the comment for these children at the same time. Or you delete all the comment. You click on that, you delete all the comment in this class at the same time for the student. Now take note of this: when uploading comment, if you make mistake to type numbers instead of text, it will not upload. It will tell you that you are uploading something that is not of the format. So how do you upload the comment? You come here, you have prepared your comment, you select the class, then the term, the session, then the term, then you attach the comment. Boom, you just click on upload. Immediately it will upload the comment if the comment was not there before. If it had been uploaded before, it will generate an error and tell you that you've uploaded comment for that class. The same thing with Psychomoto. You download the template, you upload the Psychomoto, or you can also edit the Psychomoto for all the children in the class. So it's a very flexible application for use for every school, and there are quite a lot of other functions that are in that I'm not able to demonstrate now. If you log in as a student, you have things like payment of school fees is attached, payment of TalkShop. It creates a wallet system. Once the parent pay online, or if the parent transfer the money to the school account, the school generates that to a CSV file and upload. That amount uploaded for the child based on the child ID will be added to the child's account. So a wallet is created where the child sees his account balance, and all the things the child buys in the school, the account department compute them into a CSV file, and the amount as you upload, it does that automatic deduction. So the parent can log in and view what the child is buying, because the item the child bought, the date it was bought, the amount it was bought, the initial balance, the current balance shows. So it avoids argument between parents and students. So it's a very robust application that can manage everything. So this is the teacher's part. We'll be looking at the admin part later on. God bless you.